Welcome to my channel, and you are watching Dynamic Approach Podcast Clips. Here you will get bite-sized information-filled videos with different and relevant information. And so get ready to get lots of value from these videos. And make sure to subscribe to this channel before going forward with the video and click on the notification bell. I'm looking forward to reach 100 subscribers by the end of this month, and that can only happen with all your support. So guys, let's make it happen. And also don't forget to drop a like on this video if you like the video. If you dislike the video, drop a dislike button, but make sure to click the dislike button twice just to be sure of everything. So let's not waste any time and let's go into the clips.
Okay.
I want to lose weight. I want you to give me weight training. I want you to give me cardio. But I want to lose weight. But what I need is a nutrition plan.
Yes.
Now it might seem that अरे ये तो इसको कुछ ज्यादा काम नहीं करना है, इसको डाइट प्लान बेचना है, बस कुछ नहीं, डाइट प्लान का इतना इतना हजार चार्ज करेगा and he's going to make money. But actually if you do weight training, I've said this to people on the strategy call, that if you start doing weight training right now and you weigh this much, you are obese, you are fat. Now if you start weight training and your nutrition is again poor, what's going to happen? It's going to be like you will damage your joints because of all the impact, weight training and everything. In the long run, obviously you
Yes.
will be tired always and you will not recover because your food is incorrect. Now,
Plus, you'll be gaining more weight.
yeah, you will gain more weight and you will, because you will feel more hungry and you will eat the same food.
Yes.
You,
Because
and,
your
and then
turns into a lipogenic hormone.
with that said, if you do weight training, obviously you're going to get some improvements, but then the improvements are going to be nothing compared to all the bad things which the bad nutrition brings on. And then you will say, अरे पैसा वापस दे दो, refund चाहिए मुझे. I will have no choice to give you refund.
Yes.
And
Yes.
for
yes.
me to be on a safer side, what I'll say, you need a nutrition plan. Yeah, you might think that it is basically me trying to make easy money, but actually it's not. It is really trying to give you more value.
Yes. It's more of like the actually the customer doesn't know what they want. Customer is stupid. Just like the great man said. His name is
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. Yes. The customer is stupid. They don't know what they want. And we are the professionals. We know what to give, what is better for you, and that's how we approach. In fact, so this is the problem with Indian fitness industry. So it's in fact it's not just with Indian fitness industry. It's their overall world. Okay, that whatever your client want to do, give them that.
दे दो हाँ, पैसा मिलेगा.
कि
क्लोज करो, कस्टमर आने दो.
जो आप बोल रहे हो वो कुछ नहीं कर
माइंडसेट.
ऐसे कुछ तो करेगा. एंड समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. अगर your client is not doing what you're saying, are you playing a role of even a coach? Are you a coach? Question yourself. Question yourself that are you the coach who's not, the person is not listening to you? What I would,
if the customer comes to you and you say to him, yeah, आपको क्या चाहिए? What would you like to have, sir? Sir, we have in the menu today, we have butter chicken, paneer makhni, butter chicken masala, chicken kolhapuri, and this and that. What would you like to have, sir? This is how it is going on. What would you like to have, sir? We have CrossFit, we have HIIT, we have functional training, we have Zumba, we have weight training, we have powerlifting, we have cardio, we have this, that, so many variations.
And sir, you can also do everything.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, obviously. But yeah, obviously, इसका charge ये है वो है. Then what would you like to have, sir? Obviously, the person who doesn't have any budget issues is going to pick what he
Go for it.
likes. Person
Yeah.
who has budget issues is going to pick the cheapest thing. And what is the cheapest thing? वो treadmill पे भागो. He
Treadmill में
wants
भागो.
he or she wants to lose weight. They are
Yes.
fat. Actually, they need good nutrition guidance. And instead they have been told, जाओ भागो, calories burn करो, भागो, 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 भागो. Now, this is the
Approach.
this is the approach. This is what's going on. Instead, connection is lost. Okay, so this is so what I was saying is this is the approach which is going on. And when you say to your customer, what would you like to have, sir? You're not a coach, you're a waiter. You're a bloody waiter, right?
Of
You're
course.
taking orders.
Yeah.
A
So
teacher doesn't take order. He listens. He takes the point of view and he gives the right solution.
yeah.
Right.
So yes. So it's like I as a teacher, I as a coach or a teacher, I may not give you what you want, but I will give you what is good for you.
And what is needed.
Yes, and what is needed. So of course, customer is stupid. I would say yet again, because if Steve Jobs can say, I can definitely agree on that. He's not a he has proved that he's the wisest man of this era. So yes, I'm with him. Yep. So it's not about give customer what they want. No.
And then
Give
because of this, you don't get real good results, right? Because obviously you are not giving them what they need, you are giving them what they want. Results नहीं मिलता है. Then
See, so they have so there are few personal trainers who are just for the heck of being there. Okay, so it's basically they are just counting the numbers. The
counting
workout,
number or holding the towel. Bas.
yes, basically all the workout is basically is planned by client himself that I want to do this and
Yes,
this.
yes. आज आप क्या करना चाहोगे? आज क्या करेंगे? I've seen this. That's why I'm acting like this.
Yes,
हाँ
of
मैडम.
course. It's
आज
not
क्या
just
करना है आपको? आज
and this
legs
happens.
करते हैं.
This
This is
happens कि आज मेरे को कोर का ट्रेनिंग करवा आज मेरे को.
हाँ. और ये this is you acting as if you are a client. But nowadays I have seen
Trainers.
I have seen in certain gyms that the trainers are like, आज क्या करना है आपको? Like it's like, what would you like to have, sir?
What you gonna do? What you'll be doing today? We will
Yes.
train legs.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, train legs.
Okay. So the
You
client itself. So I'll start with leg press. Yeah. Good idea. Let's go for it. Yeah.
तो ट्रेनर तुम हो कि वो है?
वो है. हाँ.
And this
becomes later on difficult for such trainers to make a mark in the industry. So it's just that you are sustaining that moment. I would say that moment.
Yeah. You are just doing it for the money. Oh, paycheck to paycheck.
This I can say it very confidently because even I have refused clients who have acted the same way, that they have tried becoming they have tried becoming themselves a trainer and wanted me to just count the numbers. So in fact it's been it's a real story of me in my worst days where I'm actually not having money, but then I'm refusing client.
Yeah.
I don't have any penny, but then I'm refusing that client. Okay. That time I was having a little bit of, that regret of, I shouldn't have done that. I would have educated him. I would have, but the guy did not really give me a chance, and it was just 2 sessions.
Hmm.
And I did not even cut the money for 2 sessions. I was taught that way, and in fact, I guess even you are taught that way because you are the student of the same school, right? So I have been taught that way, and quite frankly, when I applied it, I felt like, am I doing some stupid thing? What my school thought? But then today, if I look back now, I don't regret, and in fact, I'm happy that I took that decision of, you know, even though I didn't have penny, I still refused that money and did not went for that training. I'm happy about that. So,
And actually, it happens
and
when I.
trust me, so I have not reached to the point that I'm a good successful trainer. But right now, all I can say is that I am doing very good for myself, and very confidently I can say that yes, I'll be reaching to a good. I'll be setting a benchmark of a good personal trainer in my this living era.
Lifetime. Lifetime living
Yes.
era. And sometimes we have to, like, what you should actually do is, basically, when I'm training clients, sometimes happens with me that my clients will be like, Amog, I'm feeling tired, let's do this, I want to do this, I want to do that. Like, I sometimes straight away refuse. No, we are going to do this, we are going to do this exercise, we are going to do this for these many reps. Maybe we can slack off, like we can reduce the poundage or we can reduce the volume, so that since you are tired, you will be
Intensity.
able to do, but we are still going to do squats today, example.
Yes.
If the client doesn't want to do squat, yeah, I like, not my favorite exercise and all that, but we are still
Oh,
going to do. And when I do that, at the end of the session, the client is happy. Wow,
yes.
it's the must session. I didn't expect to do this well,
That's a
because that's
hallmark.
just.
That's a hallmark of a good caliber. I would say good personal trainer who has a caliber, who has a hold on his craft, and can make person understand that though you don't hate this workout, but here are the important benefits of doing this exercise, and
Yeah,
turn the hate into love.
yeah,
If you
because see.
have a hold on your subject,
Yeah.
your client cannot go anywhere. It's a
and
challenge.
and
It's a challenge.
like, if you are going to work out on the basis of how you feel, how what's your mood and everything, without, like, because the mood can change because of lots of factors. Now, if this is the case, तुम्हारा leg workout 2 महीने में नहीं होगा एक भी बार, right? If you are a person who is like, अरे आज legs नहीं करना, not my favorite, I want to do deadlifts, legs are not my favorite, I'm feeling tired today, let's not do it. And if you are this trainer who, like, oh, this order lene wala waiter, so if
Okay.
you are like someone like that, and if you हाँ में हाँ मिलाते हो, then you are actually not progressing. The client is not progressing, they are regressing, because they will eventually have muscle imbalances and all that. Getting into the technical stuff, they will uh, lose more than they will benefit, and that is
Of course.
because of the mindset, and the coach's goal is to change that mindset. There's
Of
lots
course.
of counseling which goes on.
Clients are the customers. They are someone who has entered fitness fitness industry to work out, and we are the one who are the helpers. They definitely don't know what is linear periodization, what is periodization, how do you develop strength, how do you split days, what is pull, what is push. They don't know about anatomy, they don't know about kinesiology, they don't know about physiology, they don't know about muscles, they don't know anything. But every person becomes a fitness trainer just because they gain few muscles. Yes, and that's the sad part again.
And also the most of the people have this mindset, like not no, most of the means the minority who has this, बॉडी नहीं है तुम्हारा, ट्रेनर कैसे, किस नाम का ट्रेनर है तू भाई, बॉडी
In
नहीं है
fact,
तेरा.
it has happened with me.
Me
So
too, that's why I'm saying this.
Yeah, this has happened with me. Past when I was into a fitness industry, but not exactly a good shape. I'm not saying that I'm at a awesome shape right now, but I'm not at a bad shape right now. If you see me, you can definitely tell that I am into fitness. So just because I'm so I'm not jacked, of course not. Okay. But then again, I don't look like that. I'm the person who doesn't work out. I'm the person who lifts. I definitely, through my walk, the way I stand, or if you see my bone density, my shoulder broadness, you can make out, okay, this person does something. Now I have come to that point. But earlier in past also, even I was judged. I was judged very badly. तुम यार अपना खुद का पहले देखो ना, and I don't think that it's this blame is bad. If you feel bad about this, take it, and at the end, what are you doing? You are just applying whatever you have learned in your life. Apply that, get strong first yourself, and then start making people strong. So till then, people are giving you this that tu apna bana pehle. Wait for your moment, because your moment is anyway going to come. You are a kid.
Yeah.
Okay, you have just started. You have just came out of the school, understanding things, and now it's time to apply. So when you apply and become one like this, then start with that, so that people can't lift a finger on you that listen, Baba, tu khud kuch nahi hai, tu kya bata raha hai?